So today we're unboxing the Samsung's latest flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this one is the 512GB model in Cobalt Violet. So this is Samsung's most powerful smartphone of 2026, packed with 200 megapixel camera, built-in S Pen, a 6.9-inch display, Galaxy AI features, and brand new privacy display. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get in the box. Alright, lifting the lid. And here it is, the Galaxy S26 Ultra in Cobalt Violet. So this color has a really premium look. It's a deep violet tone that changes slightly depending on lighting, giving it a sleek, almost metallic finish. So inside the box, we get the Samsung S26 Ultra, we get some paperwork and quick smart guides, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. And that's it. Like most modern flagships, Samsung no longer includes a charging brick in the box. So let's take a closer look at the phone. The S26 Ultra has refined design with Samsung's new ambient island camera layout. So where the camera lenses blend more seamlessly into the back of the phone. So the phone features the armored aluminum frame, a Gorilla Glass protection on the front and back, and IP68 water and dust resistant. So it's built to be durable while still feeling premium in the hand. It's also surprisingly slim for such a big device, coming in at 7.9 mm thick and weighing around 214 grams. So let's go ahead and remove this protection here. And as you can see, this is the display. So on the front, we have a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with QHD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440. So you get 120 refresh rate, you get HDR10 plus bit support. So this is extremely high brightness for outdoor viewing. So it's one of the coolest features this year is the privacy display. So when you enable it, the screen limits the viewing angles, so people beside you can't see what's on your phone, perfect for using the phone in public places. Performance-wise, powering the S26 Ultra is a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor customized for Galaxy design to deliver huge improvements in AI, graphics, and overall performance. So Samsung says a new chip delivers 39% faster AI performance, 24% better graphics, and 19% faster CPU performance compared to the previous generation. So this version has 512GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, which is plenty of space for photos, videos, and apps. The S26 Ultra also brings several Galaxy AI features. So for example, you have Photo Assist, which lets you remove objects or move elements in photos. You have Creative Studio, which can generate stickers and content automatically. And you have contextual AI suggestions that help you with editing, productivity, and everyday tasks. Now, with regards to camera, let's go ahead and talk about the biggest highlight of the Ultra lineup. On the back, you get 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and additional lenses for zoom and ultra wide shots. So this phone can shoot 8K video in 30 frames per second, 4K video in 60 frames per second, plus slow motion and pro video modes. So Samsung has also improved low light photography, image processing, making night shots clearer and more detailed. The S Pen, just like previous Ultra models, the S Pen is built right into your phone. So you can use it for note-taking, drawing, precision editing, remote camera control. It's a great feature if you like productivity tools or digital sketching. Battery and charging, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, which Samsung says can deliver up to 31 hours of video playback. Charging has also been improved this year. So with 60-watt super fast charger, you can get about 75% battery in around 30 minutes. So with regards to connectivity and software, the phone runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI and supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and NFC for contactless payments. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in Cobalt Violet with the 512GB of storage. So this phone packs a massive display, powerful cameras, Galaxy AI features, the S Pen, and flagship performance, making it one of the most advanced smartphones you can buy right now. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of the Cobalt Violet color? And if you want to see a full camera test, maybe a gaming test, or tips and tricks videos, so make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.